Ibiúna House, the latest residential work by Rodrigo Ohtake, grandson of artist Tommy Ohtake and son of the late architect Rui Ohtake, is located in Ibiúna, about an hour and a half from São Paulo. It serves as a weekend retreat for the architect, his wife Anna Carolina, and their 3 children, Leah, Ivan, and Tom. The idea began with an invitation from Syshaus, a renowned Brazilian construction company specializing in prefabricated homes, to design a house that would break away from the conventional look of modular buildings. Ohtake embraced the challenge, guided by his father's lifelong lessons, to face challenges with enthusiasm, to build strong relationships with suppliers and industry, to push architecture and building systems forward, and most importantly, to create high-quality housing at accessible prices. The house was conceived using a rational system of metal components, glass, and other materials that are easy to transport. It was prefabricated at the Syshaus factory and later installed on one of the site's natural plateaus. The result is a fast, smart, and sustainable construction that defies traditional building standards. A contemporary home fully integrated with nature. Upon arrival, visitors are greeted by a planted green roof. This house architecture is defined by volumes, colors, and forms, especially curves, which theoretically go against the logic of modular construction, where standardization is key to speed. That tension between expressive freedom and industrial constraint became the project's creative engine. On the roof, self-supporting metal panels were cut into soft curves. To make the layout both cohesive and unexpected, the rooms are organized in predefined volumetric modules, but spaced apart. These intervals create large, open areas, living room, dining room, and kitchen, enclosed with floor-to-ceiling aluminum frames, featuring fixed and sliding glass panels. Beyond the restorative power of being surrounded by nature, color plays a key role in bringing joy to the space. The vibrant orange interior gives the home a strong identity, contrasting with the deep green landscape outside. Inside, large open spaces generously reveal the surrounding landscape. The facades feature curved walls and eaves that break up the rigidity of the rectangular volumes. For the outer enclosure, industrial thermal insulated aluminum panels were used. Blue curved brise-soleils, made from perforated steel sheets, were installed around the bedroom modules to ensure privacy and create a surprising visual effect. Ohtake's approach was to let the house blend into its surroundings. The result is a lightweight, peaceful dwelling, a place for the family to reconnect with the natural world. Curtainless bedroom windows encourage a ritual of waking up with the morning light and outdoor views, creating a sense of openness that is both simple and immersive. Measuring 180 square meters, the home was produced in Syshaus factory in 90 days and installed on site in just 30. Most of the furniture was designed by Rodrigo Ohtake himself, while all the artworks were selected by Anna Carolina, an art curator. It is a richly layered design. The colors, the shapes, the spaces feel futuristic, yet the openness to nature all around brings a calm atmosphere, at once stimulating and meditative. As the architect himself puts it, living with art and nature makes life gentler, softer.